Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the city.
Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing another natural hair tutorial. I'm trying to learn my natural hair as best as possible. I know my hair looks like a hot mess. It's super dry. I literally took a shower with no shower cap on and I let the moisture hit my hair, but it took me so long to set up this recording that my hair is like completely dry. But I'm going to use Curlformers today, and I know that I used Curlformers in my other video, like my wig review video, and I loved the results, and I was like, I want to try my whole head using Curlformers because I haven't done it in like a really long time. So I want to see how it's going to look, and I'm going to see Black Panther today, and I kind of want to be like fro-licious, but not really a fro. It'd be kind of like a curly thing going on. So I'm kind of just gonna put the Curlformers wherever I want to put it. It's not gonna be like super structured or anything like that because it's just so that my hair is curly. It's not so much that I want it to look perfect because we're just doing like, I'm gonna kind of have like a curl going all the way around, like a mushroom kind of thing. So I'm gonna not clip, but I have a scrunchie. I'm going to put some of my hair up. I think I'm just going to go like every other. So it's going to be yellow, pink, yellow, pink. If you don't know what I'm talking about, these are the two Curlformers. The orange goes one way and then the pink goes the other way. If you guys can see that, they go the opposite way. So basically if you use every other, the curls won't mush together and become one big curl. We don't want that. We kind of want them to bounce off of each other so you get a more bouncy, springy look. That's what we want. So it's going to be pink, yellow, pink, or pink, orange, pink, orange, pink, orange, so that we get them bouncing off each other. Now you can grab whatever section you want. I know you don't want it to be too thick this way. I know this is a little thick, but I feel like it'll still work. And I'm going to spritz it a little bit with some water, just very lightly, because I want my curls to dry as quickly as possible. I don't want it to take a year and a day. I'm literally going to see the movie at 10 o'clock, so I don't have that long to for it to dry. I already have pretty much a lot of product in my hair because this is probably week-old hair, not even. Yeah, we'll say week-old hair. So it still has like moisture in it. So I'm going to put the Curlformer on. These are always so complicated sometimes. So there's one. It's kind of easy, kind of hard. You just have to make sure that all your hair is in this little section right here, because if it's not, then some of your hair is going to be out of the Curlformer, but you want to make sure that all the hair is inside this little C-shaped hole thing. It must be in there. So you're just going to keep repeating this all over your head. I don't think it takes too long, maybe 45 minutes, depending on how much hair you have. It takes me about 45 to an hour. So I'm going to keep doing it. When I go up my hair more, I'll be back. Okay, I'm almost done. I have 2 more sections to go. So I wanted to show you guys like a close-up of me putting on the Curlformers. If you guys never seen Curlformers, I know they're pretty old, but I still want to show you guys. So I'm going to section off a little piece. The smaller the piece is, the faster it's going to dry. That's why I did smaller pieces this time, and I still have a ton of Curlformers, and I don't know how many I had, but I still have like a lot. So I'm just gonna grab a pink one and I'm gonna put it on the rod so it looks like this, and then I'm gonna spritz my hair a little bit. This is water and conditioner, just very little. We don't want it to be soaking wet. We don't want that. We don't want that. And I'm just gonna rub the water through the hair, and then I'm going to brush it out a little bit. And then I twist it like this so it'll fit on the rod better. As you guys can see, it's small. And then we grab the rod, and then you put the rod in, making sure all the hair is in there. And then I push the Curlformer up, and then I pull it out. And then there she is, hanging on. And then I just keep repeating it all over my head, as you guys can see. My last piece, thank goodness, thank the heavens. I pray that this dries by, what time? 8 o'clock? Let me see what time it is right now. It is 3 o'clock. So hopefully in 5 hours, this will dry. Hopefully sooner than that, because I want to start getting ready earlier than that time, because I have to leave about 8:30, 8:40. So there's my last one. Since it's all in my face, I kind of just grab them as much as I can out of my face, and I grab a scrunchie and I just scrunchie it like it's my hair, so I can do things in the world without this being in my face. So there we go. Super sexy, you know, get your man. You know, he's gonna be like, girl, you look so good, looking like Medusa. But in all seriousness, I'm gonna let it dry for a couple of hours, and then I'll be back to take it down. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm so excited to see this movie, guys. I'm so freaking excited. Michael B. Jordan is my man crush, if you didn't know. Like, he is so fine, and I know he's in the movie, so I'm so excited. But yeah, so I'm gonna let this dry, and then I'll be back to show you guys the results. Hopefully they look so good. Like, I'm hoping, I'm praying that it looks good. So I'll see you in a couple of hours. Okay, I am back, and it is 8 o'clock, so it's been about 5 hours because I left at 3, and I'm ready. I'm all dressed, got my makeup on, and I'm gonna take out these Curlformers. Hopefully they dried. I pray that they dried, because I want to look poppin'. So let me take my scrunchies out. All right, I'm gonna start from the back because that's where I started putting them in. So far it looks good. I'm so excited. That's good. So with Curlformers, you don't have to get them soaking wet for them to shape. I can't really see, so I'm just gonna take these all out, and then I'll be back. Oh, I can show you guys how I take them out. So basically, you stretch out the whole Curlformer so it's straight, like so, and then you push the rubber part out, and then it just glides out. So that's all you do. So I'll show a closer one. You just straighten it all out. You push it like that, and then you pull it out. So I'm going to keep doing that to the rest of my head. Alright, I took all the Curlformers out. It is super cute. I kind of want it to be more fluffy, I think, but I'm scared I'm going to mess it up. But it's a risk I want to take, I guess, because I want it to be more like big and like more afro-y, as you guys, like I said earlier. So I'm going to gently separate it and then like curl it back, like so. Like, I'm gonna do this with every section. I think some of them are still a little bit wet. But I'm going to separate them. They're not like wet, they're like damp, so hopefully it doesn't go like frizzy like this one. Oh great, the one that's on top of my head. Oh no, that's good. I feel like this is gonna look super cute. I'm so excited. So let me keep separating my hair, and then I'll be back with the finished results. Okay, so I said that I wanted it to look like a mushroom, but I feel like this looks super cute, and I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm obsessed. Curlformers are freaking amazing. I love it. The first time I did it, I didn't know how I felt about it, but I think I kind of got the gist of how I like it. So basically, don't get your hair soaking wet, or if you do have it soaking wet, let it dry at least like 80%, and then put the Curlformers in, and you will get these results. I know it's a little bit frizzy on the ends, but I think they look really cute and bouncy and adorable. So I'm excited that it worked out. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the final results. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Let me know in the comment section below, because I would love to hear what you have to say, because I always like to hear what you guys say about my natural hair because I'm still working with it. I'm still learning and all that stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed the natural hair video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. See ya.